Hello children, today for class 6, let us start with our next poem, that is A Teacher for All Seasons. Yes, I think a teacher occupies a special place in our heart, right? As today, I am very much thankful to my teachers, my mentors who taught me not only educational things but also nurtured me, encouraged me, and helped me to be the person what I am today. So here, this is a tribute. This poem is a delightful tribute to our teacher, written by Joanna Fuchs. The poetess is Joanna Fuchs. Let us begin. A teacher is like spring, who nurtures new green sprouts, encourages and leads them whenever they have doubts. Here, in the first stanza, the poetess says, or say like she compares the teacher to the spring season, who nurtures new green sprouts. Who are the new green sprouts? They are the small children. So, the teacher nurtures the children. Nurture means to take care of, protect, as to grow better. As teacher takes care of small children and even encourage and leads them to grow, to develop themselves. Whenever they have doubts or say any problem or any confusion, the teacher leads them, guide them. Yes, okay. Now, in the second stanza, a teacher is like summer, whose sunny temperament makes studying a pleasure, preventing discontent. Now, the poetess compares the teacher to the summer season, whose sunny temperament makes studying a pleasure. Children, temperament means nature or say behavior of the teacher. Yes. So, as the teacher is full of energy, she makes studying a pleasure. Pleasure means enjoyment, and preventing discontent means without causing unhappiness or dissatisfaction. A teacher is a person who tries with her sunny temperament, with her sunny behavior, a pleasant behavior, and makes study a pleasant and even give you happiness and satisfaction. She prevents discontent, she prevents dissatisfaction. A teacher is like fall, with methods crisp and clear, lessons of bright colors and a happy atmosphere. Here, the teacher is compared to the fall season, means the autumn season, whose method of teaching are crisp and clear, means quick and effective. Lessons of bright colors and a happy atmosphere means as the autumn season, it has bright colors all around us. The teacher is also like fall season, who whenever they teach very happily, effectively and makes the atmosphere around her also very happy. A teacher is like winter. While it's snowing hard outside, keeping the students comfortable as a warm and helpful guide. Now, here in the next stanza, the teacher has been compared to winter season. Why winter season? Because while it's snowing hard outside, means whatever is the condition outside may be too much cold, but she always tried to keep the students comfortable and like a guide. He or she, the teacher, makes them feel warm from inside. Yes, now in the next stanza, teacher, you do all these things with a pleasant attitude. You are a teacher for all seasons, and you have my gratitude. In this para, the poetess is giving a tribute to the teacher. Teacher, you do all these things such as guide us, motivate us, never makes us feel bored or discontent. All of this with a pleasant attitude, with always a smiling face or a charming face. So, you are a teacher for all seasons means like we can compare each season to the teacher. And so, you have my gratitude. Children, gratitude means to give thank you or say to be grateful that you are doing so much for us. So here the poetess is giving a tribute to the teacher. Yes, children, I hope you understood the poem and also kindly refer the textbook and read the poem there. Thank you.